Welcome to our magical adventure, where we'll explore the wonderful world of blockchain, Bitcoin, and how they're changing our lives forever. Today, we'll break down complex ideas into simple explanations fit for a 5-year-old, and learn about the power of decentralization. Imagine you have a magical notebook, and everyone in the world has one too. Every time someone makes a promise, they write it in their notebook. The magical part is that all notebooks update with the same information, so everyone can see the promises made. That's what a blockchain is. It's a digital ledger, or a list of records, that stores information. Each record, or block, is connected to the ones before and after it, forming a chain. This makes it nearly impossible to change or remove any information without everyone noticing. Now, let's talk about a special kind of promise, the promise to pay someone with a digital coin called Bitcoin. In our magical world, Bitcoin is a kind of digital money that can be sent between people without using banks. It works because the blockchain keeps track of who owns how many Bitcoins and makes sure all transactions are fair. You might wonder why it's so great that everyone can see the promises in our magical notebooks. Well, it's because it helps us make sure nobody's cheating or trying to break the rules. This is called decentralization. Decentralization means that no single person or group is in charge. Instead, everyone works together to keep the system honest and secure. This makes it harder for anyone to take control, which is important for a fair and open world. The power of blockchain and Bitcoin goes beyond magical notebooks and digital coins. This technology can change our lives in so many ways. For example, imagine you're an artist who creates beautiful paintings. By using blockchain, you can make sure your artwork is always connected to your name, so people know you're the true creator. This can help protect your work from being copied or stolen. Blockchain and Bitcoin are not just for tech-savvy wizards. They can benefit everyone in our magical world. With Bitcoin, people who don't have access to banks can still save, spend, and receive money. This can help improve their lives by giving them more financial freedom. Blockchain can also make voting more secure and transparent, ensuring that everyone's voice is heard and counted fairly. As more people start to use and understand blockchain and Bitcoin, we'll continue to discover new ways they can make our world a better place. And that's the end of our magical adventure. We hope you enjoyed learning about blockchain, Bitcoin, and the power of decentralization. Remember, we're all part of this amazing journey, and together, we can create a fair, open, and innovative world for everyone. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, keep exploring.